Do you want to know the absolute lowest price improvements that will net you the highest return on investment? There are extremely low cost, simple improvements that you could boost your home's value. By focusing on projects that offer the highest return on investment, you can make your home stand out from the crowd without spending a fortune. Curb appeal is critical. You can only make a first impression once. The exterior of your home is the first thing a potential buyer sees, and it sets the tone for the entire property. Curb appeal is vital. Why? Because potential buyers look at the front of your property first before making a decision to go inside. Buyers won't even park their car until they feel that the front of your home looks clean and updated. So, a freshly mowed lawn, trimmed hedges, and a tidy front yard go a long way. Total cost? A few bucks. Consider a fresh coat of paint on your front door, black, dark gray, or red colors, and shutters, or even a new set of house numbers and a stylish mailbox. Total cost? $75. Power washing your roof, siding, driveway, and walkways can instantly remove years of grime and make your home look newer. Total cost, $89. Why deep cleaning and decluttering are absolutely essential before selling your home? When preparing to sell your home, first impressions matter more than ever. Buyers will often decide how they feel about a property within moments of walking through the door, or even from photos online. That's why deep cleaning and decluttering aren't just optional tasks. They are critical steps that can significantly impact quickly your home sells and for how much. Most importantly, these two tasks will boost your home's value the most. Create a strong first impression. A clean, clutter-free home immediately feels more inviting. Dust odors and clutter can distract buyers and make a home feel neglected. On the other hand, a spotless space signals that the property has been well cared for, helping buyers feel more confident about making an offer. Make your home look bigger and brighter. Clutter can make even a spacious home feel cramped. Remove excess furniture, personal items, and unnecessary decor. Opens up each room, making it appear larger and more functional. Deep cleaning also enhances natural light, giving home a fresh, airy feel that appeals to buyers. Help buyers visualize themselves living there. When a home is filled with personal belongings, it's harder for buyers to imagine it as their own. Decluttering creates a neutral environment where potential buyers can picture their furniture, their lifestyle, and their future in the space. Decluttering is arguably the most important task you can perform. It makes your home appear much bigger. Potential buyers will offer you more money. Remove about 50% of your items. I know it's a lot, but your rooms will look so much bigger. Total cost, about $800. Total return, about $5,000 to $12,000. Highlight your home's best features. Deep cleaning allows key features like fireplaces, hardwood floors, countertops, and fixtures to shine. When everything is clean and organized, buyers can focus on what matters most instead of being distracted by mess or maintenance concerns. Increase perceived value, a key to boosting your home's worth. A well-presented home often feels more valuable. Buyers are willing to pay more for a property that looks move-in ready. They tell themselves, this home looks spotless. Therefore, the overall condition of the home must be good. The bottom line, after the home inspection, the buyers will be less likely to ask for multiple repairs. In contrast, a dirty or cluttered home may lead buyers to assume there are hidden issues, resulting in lower offers. Speed up the selling process. Homes that show well tend to sell faster. By investing time in cleaning and decluttering up front, you can reduce time on the market and avoid prolonged negotiations or price reductions. Highest return on investment. Deep cleaning and decluttering are simple, yet powerful ways to position your home for a successful sale. They require effort, but the payoff can be substantial. Higher offers, faster sales, and a smoother overall experience. Before listing your home, take the time to present it at its absolute best. It's one of the smallest investments you can make. Next, focus on the kitchen. Make small, impactful interior updates. A fresh coat of neutral paint is one of the most cost-effective ways to modernize your home. Total cost, about $250. In the kitchen and bathrooms, you don't need a full remodel to make a difference. Simply painting the cabinets using Benjamin Moore's 2-in-1 primer and paint, semi-glossy enamel, will add roughly $2,500. Use a pure white color or ask a paint specialist at the store which color is in style for 2026. Updating old cabinet hardware, about $50. Adding modern light fixtures, $49. Adding plank flooring that imitates tile or wood can completely transform the space and make it feel more current. Total cost, roughly $820. Clean windows with vinegar and water and spray paint the window frames with a 2-in-1 primer and paint, enamel, bright white. Don't buy new ones. Prepare, cover, and tape up very well. Total cost, $100. You just saved roughly $10,000. Not bad. Addressing repairs like a leaky roof or a cracked foundation can save you a significant amount of money and stress in the long run. By being proactive and focusing on these key areas, you can strategically increase your home's value. Use ChatGPT for instructions on how to fix these problems before you list your house. Doing these maintenance repairs will save you a wad of cash compared to a contractor. Last, change all of your light bulbs using LEDs. Open all shades and blinds prior to showings. Rearrange your furniture to save space. Don't forget to look for an agent that offers free home staging services. You can save 1% to 2% of your home's value. There's a few that exist. Also, don't buy any furniture or furnishings. There are large department stores like Nordstrom's that offer free returns on anything in the store for up to a year. Getting a house full of free furniture and furnishings will definitely boost your home's value. Hit me up, I'll give you the list. Don't forget to keep your receipts in a safe place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment below. Want free help staging your house and getting at least $40,000 more than your home is worth when you sell? We are certified home stagers and certified interior decorators. Ask me for a free list of 10 stores that offer free returns on anything in the store, including furniture. I've got ideas ready to roll.